What are the most useful Shopify apps? Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create online stores. While Shopify provides a robust set of built-in features, there are also numerous third-party apps available that can enhance and extend the functionality of your Shopify store. Here are some of the most useful Shopify apps recommended by users. 1. Deezers for dropshipping. If you're interested in the dropshipping business model, Deezers is a reliable app to consider. It seamlessly integrates with Shopify, allowing you to import products from various suppliers and fulfill orders directly from the source. Deezers streamlines the dropshipping process, saving you time and effort while providing access to a vast selection of products. 2. Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It helps you build email lists, create automated email flows, and send targeted campaigns to increase sales and customer engagement. 3. Loox. Loox is a product review app that helps you collect and display customer reviews on your Shopify store. It encourages customers to leave reviews, which can boost trust and conversions. 4. Smile.io. Smile.io is a rewards and loyalty program app that allows you to create customized loyalty programs for your Shopify store. It incentivizes repeat purchases and helps build a loyal customer base. 5. Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand app that integrates with Shopify, enabling you to sell custom-printed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding any inventory. These are just a few examples of the many useful Shopify apps available. The right apps can streamline operations, enhance marketing efforts, and ultimately improve the customer experience on your Shopify store.